Good morning, good morning. Okay, so guys, I'm sleeping on the couch. I have been for a while because my partner had a COVID-19 scare. Turns out he's got an upper respiratory tract infection, thank goodness. He's negative for COVID-19. However, I decided I'll sleep on the couch just to give him, space to heal and stuff like that. So I'm lying with my little kitty. Hey, darling, come here. Come say good morning. Come say good morning. Come. Naturally, you know how cats are. But I've already made coffee. Probably shouldn't be laying down making coffee, but drinking coffee, or drinking anything really. But okay. So after the coffee, we're gonna make a banana smoothie to get me going for the day. I'm gonna share that recipe with you. Okay. I'm gonna finish my coffee and then I'll catch you in the kitchen. Okay? Let's go. 5 more minutes.
Good morning, my sweetie pies. Good morning, Daddy. Are you sleeping with Daddy? Are you sleeping with Daddy? Oh, so cute and so beautiful, so comfy. Hey, Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Hey, hello, Daddy. With your black lips. Oh, so beautiful with her black lips. She's so beautiful. Yes, is that nice, Daddy? Is it nice, Daddy? Oh, kisses. Kisses for the little kitty and kisses for the other little kitty too. Oh, so cute. These are sisters. Okay, let's go make a smoothie.
Right, so you will need some muesli. So I've got rose and raspberry flavor, and then I've got some just whey protein concentrate. So this is it's from Health Connection Whole Foods. 78% protein, no added sugar, no added flavoring. Okay, so I use this every morning. And then I've got my little sushi machine thing, which goes into that little guy over there. And then I've got some bananas that we picked from the garden. Okay, and some granadillas we picked from the garden, and then some milk. So, and yeah, there's also this here, which is double cream plain yogurt. So you could obviously replace this with whatever you like, but I like to use plain yogurt. So you'll only need 2 tablespoons. So let's get this going. Oh, last thing, actually, totally forgot. I'm also going to add some goji berries. Just a little bit. These are freeze-dried, not freeze-dried, these are just dried goji berries. And you can actually germinate these as well if you ever want to germinate goji berries. These are actually, you're capable of germinating these. The seeds are still viable. I've tried this. There is an episode I did where I show you how to do that. Anyways, okay, cool. So, let's get going. So since I'm filming early in the morning, Wool is still asleep, and the kitties are at my feet. So I'm going to just put this together real quick, and then we can talk about how exactly I did it, okay? Right, so the bananas are in. I've cut the granadillas. So I've just cut their tops off. Let's just grab the other one. Like so. Okay, and then we're going to use a teaspoon just to spoon that out into this container. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the whey powder, 1 tablespoon of the muesli, 2 tablespoons of the yogurt, and then we'll top it up with milk, and you can use whole milk. I don't like homogenized milk, so yeah, whole milk is the thing. And I like full fat things. I hate low fat. Okay, cool. Right, Granadillas are in. Next, I'm gonna put in the yogurt, and then the muesli, and then the powder, and then the milk. What's the matter, darling? Are you hungry? Okay, I'll give you some food in a second, sweetie pie. Okay, so that's the yogurt. That's good. Right. Then we're gonna do the muesli. Right, so I'm using a different tablespoon for the muesli. Okay. Just 1 tablespoon, and then some whey powder. So you want to get like a nice good helping of whey powder, because that also adds thickening. It thickens your smoothie. Okay. Right, now goji berries. The goji berries. Okay, so that goes in. Now we're going to top it up with milk. I'm using full cream. Alrighty. Yes, sweetie pie, I'm going to give you food. Just give me 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. Okay. Right. Now, I'm going to get the attachment, which is some way. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, so now this pot goes on top, and then I'm going to turn it in. Just make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want to mess all over the kitchen. And then I'm going to flip it upside down, like so, and stick it into the little blending machine. And now I'm going to make a noise. Sorry, whoa. Okay, let me just get this stuff out of the way. Yes, okay, you know what, guys? Let me just feed them first, because I'm being mean. Man who eats before his cats is not a man. Right, so, can hear the cats eating in the background, and I'm going to make my smoothie. Let's just check it now. Right, now that's the smoothie. It's quite full, and I'm going to try and do this on camera. And this makes so much that you can actually so I'm going to take some to the nursery with me this morning. But for now, this here, I'm going to go to the garden, because that's where I drink my smoothie, so I can contemplate my madness with plants in the morning. Okay, let's do that. See you in a second. So it's a beautiful day today. It is misty. It's just really nice and peaceful and quiet. My resident crow just flew over, and I am a little way into my smoothie. It's really good. So this is easy, and this is, aside from the protein powder, the yogurt, which you can make at home. I have made yogurt before, and the goji berries, which you can grow too, and the muesli. You basically just need granadillas from your garden, bananas from your garden, and some yogurt, milk, goji berries, which you is optional, and the muesli is optional. Yeah, is that all the ingredients? Yeah. And that's pretty much it. So this is my moment of contemplation when I come out into the garden every morning before I go to work, which is a garden too. So yeah, it's tasty. So after this, I am going to take a shower, shed my onesie, and then, yeah, start my day. So this is how I start my day. So, yeah, if you like this episode, give us a thumbs up. And this is the end to the banana episode. Okay, cool guys. I'll catch you on the flip side. See you later. Okay? I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.